If stress has been part of your life for a long time, your body may still be bracing, even in moments that are finally safe. You may be tired of feeling reactive, overwhelmed, numb, or on edge, but you are not failing. Your system learned how to protect you, and today we are going to gently remind it that it does not have to stay in protection forever. Find a position that feels supported. You can sit, recline, or lie down. If closing your eyes does not feel comfortable, soften your gaze instead. Nothing needs to be forced here. Take a slow breath in through your nose and let it leave gently through your mouth. Again, breathing in a little more space and breathing out whatever you do not need to carry in this moment. This is your time to return to yourself. We are not trying to erase your emotions. We are learning to meet them with safety, patience, and choice. Let's begin. Notice the surface beneath you. Feel the places where your body is being held, the chair, the bed, the floor. You do not have to hold yourself up all by yourself right now. Let your attention move to the contact points beneath your body, not to the thoughts about your body, but to the simple physical fact of support. There is something beneath you. It is steady. It is here. Let that message reach the parts of you that have been working too hard. Now, without changing your breath, notice what is happening inside. Perhaps there is tightness in your chest, a clenched jaw, a busy mind, a heavy belly. Maybe you feel very little. All of these responses are welcome. You do not need to create calm. You only need to notice what is true, without judging yourself for it. Silently say, I can be with this moment, one breath at a time. Bring one hand to your chest, your abdomen, or another place that feels neutral. If touch does not feel supportive, simply place your attention there instead. Imagine that your hand is communicating one simple message. I am listening. Not, I will fix everything. Not, you should be over this by now. Just, I am listening. Long-term stress can teach the mind to scan for danger before it notices safety. So we will practice noticing small signs of safety now. Look around the room or imagine the room around you. Find one shape, one color, one source of light. Let your eyes rest on something that does not demand anything from you. Notice one sound that is close, then one sound that is farther away. Notice the temperature on your skin. Notice the support beneath you. These small details are not insignificant. They are information. They tell your nervous system, in this moment I am here. In this moment I have choices. Take a slow breath in and make the exhale slightly longer. You can let the exhale be a soft release, no pushing, no performance, just a little more time on the way out. If your breathing ever feels uncomfortable, return to your natural rhythm. You are in charge of this practice. Now bring awareness to your face. Let your forehead soften if it is willing. Let the space between your eyebrows loosen. Allow your tongue to rest. Let your jaw become a little less responsible for carrying the day. Move down through your neck and shoulders. You do not have to drop them dramatically. Let them lower by 1%. 1% is enough. Healing does not need to be dramatic to be real. Notice your arms and hands. Perhaps they can uncurl. Perhaps they cannot yet. There is no wrong response. We are building trust through permission. Let your awareness move through your ribs and belly. If the belly feels guarded, do not force it open. Simply offer it room. Say silently, you do not have to relax before you are ready. That sentence matters. Your body is not a machine that failed to obey. It is a living part of you, trying to protect you with the tools it had. Now imagine a warm, gentle light moving through your body. Not a light that burns away your emotions, a light that helps you see them clearly and hold them kindly. Let the light move across the forehead, the throat, the chest, the belly, the hips, the legs, and the feet. Where it finds tension, it does not argue. It says, "I see you." Where it finds numbness, it does not demand feeling. It says, "You can return in your own time." Where it finds emotion, it says, "You are allowed to be here, and you are allowed to change." Now we will practice emotional regulation through choice. Bring to mind a recent moment when you felt activated, but choose something manageable. Not the most painful memory, just a moment of irritation, worry, pressure, or overwhelm. Notice the first signal your body gives you. Is it heat, tightness, speed, a sinking feeling, a need to withdraw? Name it gently. This is activation. You are not the activation. You are the one noticing it. Now name one need beneath it. Maybe safety, rest, space, support, clarity, a boundary, permission to slow down. Let the need be simple. You do not have to solve your whole life in this session. Ask yourself, what is one kind thing I can do next? Maybe it is taking a break. Maybe it is drinking water. Maybe it is saying, "I need more time." Maybe it is reaching out to someone safe. Maybe it is doing nothing for a few minutes and allowing your system to settle. Regulation is not pretending that everything is fine. Regulation is creating enough safety to respond instead of only react. Take another gentle breath. As you breathe in, silently say, "I notice." As you breathe out, say, "I choose." I notice. I choose. Again, I notice. I choose. One more time, slowly. I notice. I choose. You are creating a space between the feeling and the action. That space may be very small at first, but small spaces can grow. A breath can become a pause. A pause can become a boundary. A boundary can become a new life. Let those words settle. Now imagine your nervous system as a body of water after a long storm. The surface may still be moving. That does not mean the water is broken. It means the storm has passed and the waves are finding their way back to rhythm. You do not have to command the water to become still. You can sit beside it. You can listen. You can let the movement complete itself. With each exhale, allow one wave to soften. Not all waves, just one. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Soften the hands. Feel the support beneath you. If thoughts appear, let them pass like leaves moving along a stream. You do not need to chase them. You do not need to push them away. You can notice and return. Return to the breath. Return to the body. Return to the support beneath you. Now repeat these words silently, or let them be spoken to the part of you that has been carrying too much. I am allowed to move slowly. I am allowed to have feelings without becoming overwhelmed by them. My emotions are messages, not commands. My body can learn safety in small moments. I do not have to earn rest. I can pause before I respond. I can ask for support. I can protect my peace without abandoning my compassion. I am not behind. I am healing at the pace my system can receive. Notice what happens as you hear those words. You may believe them fully. You may not believe them yet. Both are okay. We are not forcing a new story into an old wound. We are offering a new possibility, gently and repeatedly. Bring your attention back to the room. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the air around your skin. Notice the sounds that are here. Take a breath that feels natural, and on the exhale, let your shoulders know they do not have to solve the next hour right now. You only need to return to the next kind choice. If you feel ready, wiggle your fingers and toes. Move your neck slowly. Let your eyes open when you want to, carrying this practice with you. Before you leave, place a hand over your heart or another steady place and say, I am here. I am listening. I can choose my next step. You may still have stress in your life. You may still have emotions that need care. But you have practiced something important today. You stayed connected to yourself while noticing what was happening. That is emotional regulation, not perfection, not constant calm, a growing relationship with your inner world. Save this session for the days when your body needs a gentle reminder that the storm is not the whole sky. And if this practice brought you even one moment of relief, let that moment count. Small relief is still relief. Small safety is still safety. Small choices become change. Let's free your mind together. We are walking each other home.